If you've ever felt like you're on a unique path or that there's something distinctly different about your perspective, then this video is for you. We're talking about the chosen ones, not in some mystical, fantastical sense, but about individuals who possess a particular set of characteristics that help them not just navigate but truly thrive in life, making a profound impact along the way. Think of it as recognizing your inner strengths and potential. Today, we're diving deep into 7 distinct marks that often set these individuals apart. It's not about being better than anyone else, but about recognizing these powerful traits within yourself. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe a pen and paper, and let's explore. As we go through each mark, I want you to honestly ask yourself, do I have this? You might be surprised by what you discover about yourself. Alright, let's jump right into the first mark. The first mark of a chosen one is an ***, unshakable sense of purpose ***. This isn't just about having a goal. It's a deep-seated intrinsic drive that guides your decisions and fuels your actions. It's feeling called to do something, even if you can't articulate it perfectly yet. You might find yourself constantly drawn to specific causes, ideas, or even a particular type of work that feels more like a calling than a job. It's that feeling of, I have to do this, even when facing challenges. This purpose acts as your North Star, providing clarity and resilience when things get tough. It's what gets you out of bed in the morning, eager to contribute and create. Think about it. Do you feel a persistent pull towards something bigger than just daily routine? Is there a particular vision or impact you yearn to make? If you answered yes, then you're definitely tapping into this first powerful mark. Moving on to the second mark, ***, exceptional empathy and intuition ***. This goes beyond just understanding how someone feels. It's the ability to deeply connect with others, often sensing unspoken emotions or underlying truths. You might be the friend everyone comes to for advice, or find yourself naturally understanding complex social dynamics. Your intuition often guides you, giving you gut feelings that prove to be remarkably accurate. This isn't about being psychic, but about a heightened sensitivity to energy, nuances, and patterns in people and situations. It allows you to build stronger connections, offer genuine support, and navigate challenging social landscapes with wisdom. Do you often feel you just know things, or find yourself deeply affected by the emotions of others, driven to help them find peace or understanding? This mark helps you see the world not just through your own eyes, but through the hearts of others. The third mark is a relentless curiosity and love for learning ***. You're not content with surface-level information. You crave knowledge, always asking why and how. You love to explore new ideas, master new skills, and understand the intricate workings of the world around you. This isn't about formal education. It's an innate thirst for growth. You're likely to be a lifelong learner, always seeking ways to expand your mind and broaden your horizons. You see challenges not as roadblocks but as opportunities to learn and evolve. This curiosity fuels innovation and adaptability, making you incredibly resourceful. Do you constantly seek out new books, documentaries, courses, or discussions? Are you always asking questions and delving deeper into subjects that pique your interest? If so, this mark is strongly present in you. Now for the fourth mark, ***, uncommon resilience and adaptability ***. Life throws curveballs at everyone, but individuals with this mark don't just survive them, they learn, grow, and often emerge stronger. You possess an incredible capacity to bounce back from setbacks. Viewing failures as valuable lessons rather than definitive endpoints, you're not afraid of change. In fact, you often embrace it, seeing it as an opportunity for transformation. This adaptability allows you to thrive in various environments and overcome unexpected obstacles with grace and determination. When faced with adversity, do you find an inner strength you didn't know you had? Do you adjust your sails rather than giving up on the journey? If you can nod along, then you carry this powerful mark. Let's discuss the fifth mark, ***, a strong sense of justice and integrity ***. You have an innate moral compass that guides your actions and decisions. You stand up for what you believe is right, even when it's unpopular or challenging. Honesty, fairness, and ethical conduct are paramount to you. You can't stand by silently when you see injustice, and you strive to live in alignment with your values, even when no one is watching. This mark means you aim to be a beacon of fairness and truth, inspiring trust and respect in others. Do you feel a deep discomfort with unfairness or dishonesty? Do you always strive to act in a way that aligns with your personal code of ethics? If so, you possess this vital mark of a leader and a truth seeker. Moving on to the sixth mark, ***, creative expression and vision ***. This isn't limited to traditional art forms. It's about your ability to see possibilities where others see limitations. You have a unique way of looking at the world, generating innovative solutions, and expressing your authentic self. Whether it's through problem solving, storytelling, design, music, or simply approaching life in an unconventional way, you bring a fresh perspective. You often find joy and solace in creating, transforming ideas into reality. You're not just consuming the world, you're actively shaping it with your unique contributions. Do you often have flashes of insight, come up with original ideas, or feel a deep need to express yourself in a creative way, whatever form that takes? If you do, then this mark is shining brightly within you. And finally, the seventh mark, which often ties all the others together. Asterisk, asterisk, a deep inner knowing or spiritual connection. Asterisk, asterisk, this isn't necessarily about organized religion, but a profound sense of connection to something larger than yourself. It could be a connection to nature, to the universe, to a higher power, or simply an unwavering trust in your inner wisdom. You often seek meaning beyond the material world and find strength and guidance in this deeper connection. This provides a sense of peace, resilience, and clarity, helping you understand your place in the grand scheme of things. Do you often feel a sense of wonder and interconnectedness? Do you trust your inner voice as a guide? If you experience this profound inner resonance, then this seventh mark is undoubtedly yours. So, there you have it, 7 powerful marks that often distinguish those we might call chosen ones. How many did you recognize in yourself? It's not about ticking all the boxes, but about acknowledging and celebrating the unique combination of strengths you possess. Each one of these marks contributes to a rich, impactful life, not just for yourself, but for those around you. Recognizing these traits isn't about arrogance, it's about self-awareness, empowerment, and stepping into your full potential. Remember, every single one of us has a unique purpose and gifts to share. The journey is about discovering what those are and courageously bringing them to the world. Don't underestimate the power you hold within. You are here for a reason, and your unique qualities are precisely what the world needs. Thank you so much for joining me today on this journey of self-discovery. I truly hope this video resonated with you and perhaps sparked some exciting insights. If it did, please hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and subscribe to the channel for more content that helps you unlock your potential. I love reading your thoughts, so let me know in the comments below which of these marks you identify with the most, or if there's an 8th mark you think is crucial. Your insights are always so valuable. Until next time, keep shining brightly.